Hey! Hold on.
Please don't.
Hold on.
Wait, hold on. Get. I'm
See?
gonna take a video of this.
Oh God. We're rolling up
Go ahead.
to the window. Say hi.
Hello.
Hi, we're rolling up to the window. Thank you. Happy holidays. See, she was kind enough to say happy holidays.
Happy holidays! She wanted to say happy Hanukkah, but she
Now
wasn't
Stephanie
sure.
and I are going to get a Gatorade for her sister who's deathly sick. Now we're going right now. Hold on, we're leaving the Wendy's sign. See? Bye, Wendy's! Bye!
Can you pay attention to the road, please?
Pay attention to the road, Stephanie. You have to be my four eyes freak, okay? Let's go. Look at all the traffic. Smells delicious. I can't wait to shove the burger in my mouth.
Okay, you can go after
I can
this.
go now. Yay! Alright, where now? I guess we'll go to Walgreens.
Yeah. Well, my sister lives up that way.
We're gonna have to turn around.
Or you can just go up Deppy.
Happy Hanukkah.
Ew, yours smells like onions. Gross bastard.
You're an onion. I declare Stephanie an onion. This is no double stack. This is a piece of shit.
Yeah, look how oily that is. I'm disgusting. Oh, gross. Say goodbye.
Adios.